harsh hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maine, Cumberland, and Oxford. This is NOAA weather radio station KDO 95 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from Blackstrap Hill in Falmouth, Maine. County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coventry or near Mansfield, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Glastonbury, Vernon, Mansfield, Windham, Willimantic, Tolland, Coventry, Hebron, Marlborough, Wellington, Columbia, Bolton, and Andover. The National Weather Service.
That's one. That's all I expect to get, but that's one. I'll take it.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, south central Oxford County in western Maine, west central Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cornish, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Naples, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hiram, Cornish, Standish, Leamington, Limerick, Parsonsfield, Baldwin, Newfield, Porter, and Sebago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maine, Cumberland, Oxford, and York. This is NOAA weather radio station KZZ, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz. Warning for southeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, west central Kent County in Rhode Island, southwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Killingly, or 10 miles northeast of Plainfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Coventry, Plainfield, Killingly, Scituate, Gloucester, Putnam, Brooklyn, West Greenwich, Foster, Pomfret, and Sterling. The National Weather Service in Boston has winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Sunday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots.
the upper 40s.
Monday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. The showers.
Not exactly what I had in mind, but it's something, I guess.
Chance of rain.
Whatever.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, central Stafford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Lebanon, or 9 miles northwest of Alfred, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Alfred, Sanford, Barrington, Berwick, Farmington, Lebanon, Wells, Waterboro, Limerick, Acton, Brookfield, Wakefield, Shapley, Middleton, North Berwick, Milton, Newfield, New Durham, and Stratford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near open body of water, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county, York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire, Carroll, and Stratford.
All right.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 4 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, mostly sunny 67. Wiscasset, sunny 73. Augusta, a thunderstorm 78. Bangor, a thunderstorm was reported at 75. And in Caribou, light rain 54. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny, but temperature was 79. At Concord, it was sunny, and
What's
the
this now?
temperature was 92 degrees.
Alright.
In Lebanon, it was sunny.
The SPSs just keep coming.
Whitefield thunder was reported at 80. Berlin, partly sunny, and 83.
Alright, so now
The summit of Mount Washington.
I know 99999 doesn't work on that. So I'm gonna try 000 and all that crap.
Gusting to 22 miles an hour. In Vermont, Montpelier reports sunny and 85 degrees.
Alright. First convective warning on the new 993. Hopefully we get another one on WNG 575 so I can see this thing activate. It's first alert on the 521. Good to see that works. First recorded warning on the alert works. I've seen that before. First SVR on the Emerson, I believe. Can't forget about this guy either. Look at that. Version 1 activated. And I decided to bring out the 120, so first alert on that in forever. Alright. Good stuff. Good stuff. I like what I see. We'll see if that thing works if we get another one. Let's go.
At 6:15 p.m. North Central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 6:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lowell, Chelmsford, Drake, Westford, Tyngsboro, and Carlisle.
Wow, dude.
Here is a special weather statement for the following area in Massachusetts. Was tracking a strong front at 4:35 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking.
Is this thing on like tone or something? What the hell's going on here? Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's better. Huh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, North Attleboro, Milford, Attleboro,
Okay, just making sure that ain't anything.
Bellingham, Burteville,
Wow.
Uxbridge, Holliston, Uxbridge, Medway, North Smithfield, Redfern, Gloucester, Blackstone, Plainville, and Upton. Get indoors when you hear thunder.
You gonna gander at that, huh?
Resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has
It's not every day I get a flash flood warning.
With cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with
What a treat. What a little treat.
lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. The National Weather Service in Grayling has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Nice.
northwestern York County in southwestern Maine, central Stafford County in central New Hampshire,
Well, we know this thing works now.
County in northern New Hampshire until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Lebanon, or 9 miles northwest of Alfred, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I guess it's just stuck in a... Oh, there we go.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Alfred, Sanford, Barrington, Berwick,
Hey.
Farmington, Lebanon,
Look at that.
Waterboro, River, Acton,
What a little treat.
Wakefield, Shapley, Middleton, North Berwick, Milton, Newfield, New Durham, and Stratford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Take a look at that.
Open body of water. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear...
What a little treat. What an absolute treat. There you go, folks. Glad to see you.
At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Medway, or near Milford, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Milford, Walpole. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Milford, Walpole, Sharon, Foxborough, Bellingham, Hopkinton, Holliston, Medway, Medfield, Norfolk, Redfern, Blackstone, Plainville, Millis, Upton, Hopeedle, and Mandan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Middlesex and Worcester. Here is a special weather statement for the following area in Massachusetts: Central Middlesex County. At 4:57 p.m., the upper radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Medway or near Franklin, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact.
Okay, so this thing is on voice mode, as indicated by that right there, but I need to figure out what the hell caused it to, like, continuously go off and not stop. Because that's gonna piss me off. Let's see here. What now? Is this something else? No, it is not. Take a look at this over here on GR level 3. There's the cell that somehow just got severe warned. Stop it right there. There it is. Bearing down on Franklin. There's velocity. Is that a hail track right there? I'm not sure if you can see that. But I need to figure out what the hell caused this, this thing to just, like, keep going off when this is literally on voice mode. Okay, now the flashlight just turned on. What the fuck? Like, hello? So I don't know if this thing that's just, like, a flaw on this radio or a malfunction of some sort, but I need to figure out what the fuck caused that, because that's no bueno. Otherwise, there you have it. Shut up. There you have it. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, west central Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bradford, Oregon, 7 miles west of Henniker, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henniker, Antrim, Bradford, Hillsborough, Windsor, and Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Sullivan. The 5 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Fortham, partly sunny, 63. Freiburg, light rain, 68. Wiscasset, thunder, 70. Augusta, cloudy, 67. Bangor, a thunderstorm was reported at 70. In Caribou, light rain, 53. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported light rain. The temperature was 77. At Concord, thunder was reported and the temperature was 85 degrees. In Lebanon, it was sunny with a temperature of 89. Whitefield was sunny and 80.
Nice.
Berlin, a thunderstorm and 69. At the summit of Mount Washington, a thunderstorm with hail was reported. The temperature was 57 and the wind was north at 13 miles an hour. In Vermont, Montpelier reports partly sunny at 84 degrees. In southern New England, Boston was mostly sunny and 74. And in New York,
The hell?
it was mostly
There we
sunny
go.
at 82 degrees.
Oh, what now?
Here is a special weather statement for the
Huh.
following areas
Just in time.
in New Hampshire: Belknap, Boston, southern
Never mind, I didn't even write one.
1 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Holderness or near Plymouth, moving south 15 miles per hour. Hazard. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour.
Hui! Nice. I thought we were done for the night, but I was wrong.